hello, welcome to our new and fresh video guys. Yes guys, your boy and your mama is back with another new and fresh video. So wait. So this week is Ramadan special week, right?
Yeah.
So I haven't prepared anything because I have promised my subscribers that I'm going to come back with a new recipe. But I haven't prepared, mama. Are you prepared?
Yeah, I'm already prepared.
Wow, that's nice. So just say me right now what you're going to prepare.
Chicken tandoori without oven.
Chicken tandoori without oven. Is that possible without oven?
Yeah, it's possible.
Wow, that's great. So yeah guys, so me and mama, we are going to bring chicken tandoori to your kitchen guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's roll today's video. Now wash and clean the chicken thoroughly and remove excess fat from the surface of the chicken. Now give a nice pat or the squeeze with your bare hands to remove all the moisture from the chicken. Now give a deep cut or incision on the chicken so that all the masala gets properly soaked inside the chicken, and do the same for the rest of the pieces. The next process is to prepare the masala for the tandoori. So take a cooking pot, add 1 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoon of garam masala. Add pinch of orange red food color, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt as per the requirement and 2 teaspoon crushed kasuri methi. So here I am going to crush kasuri methi with my bare hands. Take some kasuri methi on your palm and give a nice rub so that the kasuri methi gets crushed evenly. And I'm going to squeeze 1 lime, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and at the end add some oil. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Once you are done mixing, add 1 by 1 chicken pieces and give a nice rub on the chicken. And make sure the chicken is properly stuffed inside the deep cuts or incisions so that the masala gets thoroughly absorbed. Once the marination is done, I am going to refrigerate it for at least 6 hours so that the chicken becomes nice, soft and juicy.
Six hours later.
Now let's prepare the sauce or the chutney for the tandoori chicken. So take a blender, add handful of pudina, handful of coriander, 1 green chilli, a pinch of chopped ginger, 5 to 6 garlic flakes. Add salt as per the requirement, and at the end add 1 cup of curd. Now let's fine blend all these ingredients, and finally the chutney or sauce is ready to serve. And now let's transfer it to the serving bowl. Now place the frying pan on the stove and add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee starts bubbling up, add little bit of oil. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken. Now add one by one chicken pieces slowly to the frying pan and make sure you don't burn your fingers while dropping the chicken into the oil. Now I guess the one side is cooked, so let's flip the chicken and let's cook both the sides evenly for at least 5 minutes on simmer. When the surface of the chicken turns slight brown and crunchy, consider the chicken is properly cooked. This process usually takes 10 to 15 minutes, but the process is not over yet. So yeah mama, we are done preparing chicken tandoori and it was really amazing the way you prepared. But I have a doubt. So is that even possible like to infuse the smoke inside the chicken without oven?
It's possible.
It's possible, even that it's possible.
Yeah, possible.
Wow, that's great. So yeah guys, here we are going to show you a small magic trick where you can infuse the smoky smell inside the chicken tandoori, where you will get that nice aromatic smoky smell inside that tandoori chicken, like restaurant type of smell. And that too we are going to reveal in the next process. So yeah, without further ado, let's reveal the secret. Now light the charcoal, let it char and turn to red. Once it turns to red hot, place a small bowl inside the frying pan and transfer the red hot charcoal to it, and now add little bit of ghee on it, and once it starts releasing smoke, put the lid on. Now let it rest in its smoke for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that all the pieces of the chicken gets absorbed the smoke nice and thoroughly. And now the juicy and tender chicken tandoori is ready to serve along with the chutney. Wow, 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 wow. I was just amazed the way you showed me how to infuse the smoke inside the chicken. Wow, I never knew this process, Ma. Usually I used to think like we need to grill to get the smell or we need to burn the chicken. But today like you showed us the very easy and safest process to infuse the smoky smell. Like we can try to fish chicken for everything, I guess, right? Even for meat, right?
Yeah.
So yeah mama, so thank you so much for showing us this amazing magic trick and also for showing this chicken tandoori. Had a great time mama. So yeah, I hope you guys also like this video a lot. If you like this recipe, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends. It will be a great help guys. And if you want to write us down anything, leave the suggestions in the comment section below. You can also comment us in Facebook as well as on Instagram. We are there for you guys and my mama is there to solve your questions. Sorry guys, sorry mama. And yeah, so this is Brintechno and this is mama signing off from today's video. Until next time, bye bye, see you guys. Love you all.